Waiting. Probably one of the hardest seasons in life. Welcome back to the Voices of Strength series. There are moments when you're praying, believing, working, and giving your best. Pero parang walang gumagalaw. No progress, no signs, no open doors, and that can feel heavy. As a freelancer, ramdam ko yan. May mga linggo na ang dami mong inaplayan, ang dami mong inaudition, pero tahimik ang inbox mo. Minsan mapapatanong ka na lang, Lord, kailan po? Tama pa ba itong path na ito? Pero later, I learned something life-changing. Waiting is not wasted time. It is God's preparation room. In the waiting, God is shaping your mindset. In the waiting, God is building your endurance. In the waiting, God is maturing your faith. Because the blessing you're praying for needs a stronger, wiser, more grounded you. While you're waiting, God is working. Kahit hindi mo nakikita, kahit walang nangyayari sa labas, may ginagawa siya sa loob mo. Sometimes He's preparing opportunities. Sometimes He's preparing connections. Sometimes He's preparing your character. Because breakthroughs without character end in breakdowns. Isaiah 40:31 reminds us, "Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles." Napakaganda kasi hindi sinabi ni God na mabilis ang proseso. Hindi niya sinabi na instant ang sagot. Pero sure siya sa promise niya. When you wait on Him, He will renew your strength. Maybe right now you feel stuck, delayed, or forgotten. Pero brothers or sisters, listen. Delay is not denial. Silence is not absence. Waiting is not punishment. It is preparation. God is not withholding something from you. He is preparing something for you and preparing you for that something. So if you're in a waiting season today, choose to stay faithful. Keep showing up. Keep improving. Keep praying and keep trusting. Because when God opens a door, it's always the right door. And when it opens, you'll realize it was worth every second of waiting. In the waiting, strength is quietly being built. See you and God bless.